Do you know nearly 2.2 million project-related jobs need to be filled every year through 2027? Project management is an awesome career with high salaries and plenty of variety at work, but it's also a demanding job. However, it requires a deep understanding of project management knowledge areas and practical aspects of the application to different industries. Are you looking to develop your career in project management and want to study more about project management? Do you ever wonder how you can gain project management expertise? If yes, then you have come to the right video. Today in this video, we would learn how you can develop your learning strategy to gain project management expertise. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project management skill is high in demand worldwide, and the field is booming. If you're interested in becoming a project manager, or want to develop your professional career in project management, then you should seriously consider learning about project management. Before jumping on details, do you know if project management is art or science? Actually, project management is an art and science of getting things done in a given timeline and budget. Project management is an art because there is no one definitive answer for how to best manage a project. Also, project management is a science because there are well-developed techniques and processes that can help the project managers to complete a project successfully. Many times, you will realize that the project management concepts and techniques are so simple that you might be using them in your daily life activities. However, when it comes to managing a project in the professional world, things become quite challenging, and many projects fail. So, how to gain project management expertise? Well, there are plenty of options available. The question is where to start the learning curve? Your starting point would depend on the current status of your professional journey and aspirations. If you are a student and pursuing high school, then the best place for you to learn are through online courses. You can go through YouTube and another web portal. There is plenty of valuable information available for you to grab. Check our projectsmind YouTube channel for free project management tutorials and videos. All you need is a little bit of dedication and discipline to accomplish your goals. If you are a high school graduate or diploma holder, then the best way to learn is through certified training courses. This could be of online or offline mode. You can refer to online courses at YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and another web portal to have basic knowledge of project management and its application to various industries. If you are perusing your bachelor's degree holder or just freshly graduated from college, then you should get enrolled for a certified training course to learn the basic concepts of project management techniques, processes, and tools. The best way to gain knowledge at this stage is to join an internship or apprentice job on small projects. If you already graduated and looking for entry-level job, you may join a certified training course with accredited certification. A well-known course from an accredited organization will help you to gain exposure to the professional project management world. You may also evaluate the option of pursuing a full-time or online university degree course in project management. At this stage, the focus should be on learning advanced project management tools and software which helps the team to resolve project problems. Working on medium or small size projects helps a lot to test your expertise and gain confidence. Finally, if you are a graduate or postgraduate with significant work experience, then your first place to learn project management is working on a full-fledged project. To get an opportunity to work on the project, you will need to prove your project management knowledge. This you can achieve through professional certification like PMP, APM, CAPM, CSM, CPMP, and so on. You may pursue a specialized university course and learn about industry-specific project management methodology and techniques. Also, you can pursue doctoral programs to get deep insight and expertise in project management. Irrespective of wherever you are in your professional journey, you will continuously need to learn a new technique and upgrade your skills. Project management is a very dynamic field that constantly deals with various types of complex projects. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.